It's Jamie here with WinChoice USA, and today I'd like to give you a quick overview of what you can expect from our team of window experts in Shreveport. Stay tuned. The weather here in Louisiana can really take a toll on homes, and that's why we're proud to offer a variety of different window repair, replacement, and installation options to suit your specific needs. As a veteran-owned company, we proudly manufacture each of our products right here in the United States. We pride ourselves on quality, and we make sure the job gets done the right way. No matter your situation, you can count on us to offer great products at a price that's fair. With over 4 decades of combined experience and a limited lifetime warranty, you know you're in good hands. Whether it was a big storm or an accident while playing catch, sometimes windows just get broken. Our window repair services make your life a little bit easier. Remodeling your home? Upgrading for energy efficiency? Whatever the case may be, our replacement windows are made to suit your specific needs. In other words, custom projects are our specialty. As Shreveport's licensed, bonded, and insured window company, we'll always go above and beyond for you. Have a question? Need to get a free estimate? We're here to help. Contact us today.